Fighting Scots Society is a fund that was created essentially to supplement the athletic office budget. We have 22 sports on campus. Those student athletes work hard in the pool, on the field, on the court. They have a dedicated group of coaches who are pleased to mentor them and coach them. And so the Fighting Scots Society is a way for us to compete at a national level with those other schools.
If it's involved with competition, it very much needs to be a part of our plan and our budget. Travel, uniforms, those types of things, that very much needs to be a part of our budget. There are exceptional things like the new turf, new track facilities that probably don't fit in this frame as well. But when we're able to do batting cages, specific sports equipment for basketball or baseball, whoever it might be, those are things that fit in the gap between the two cost ranges there. And I think we've done a really appropriate job of finding those tasks every year.
It just means we're able to do some things that maybe we're not normally able to do out of our normal budgets that really make a difference in the lives of our student athletes here at Monmouth College. So it's a huge benefit to those student athletes.
It proves that it's a part of something bigger, they're a part of something bigger, and that their time here isn't just a finite present moment, that they're going to look back at it and there are going to be parts of it that they feel are really important and then want to support as well.
We always make our guys go to the M Club Hall of Fame, and the reason why we do it is hopefully we can see a few of those guys up there in the future and kind of make them realize, like, hey, this is what it's about. This is what those student athletes did when they were here. They did a lot more than just the stuff in practice. And I'm a big believer if you want to be successful, you work hard, and that work ethic it goes a long way with people.
When you're enriching the athletic experience, it allows them to see the value in, the enrichment of other aspects of their experience, their academics piece. Like, that's a Division III goal, right? Is we're here to be student athletes.
Academically, we're making good progress, I think. From 10 years ago, we've got 3 times as many academic all-conference kids earning 3.3 or higher during their season. That's a great landmark. We have multiple teams that are earning team GPAs on the All-American level. That's extremely important. I just looked at the fall numbers again this morning, and we had 11 teams that were 3.0 or higher, with a high from 3.53 from women's basketball.
If all we do is win football games here, and that's all we do, then we've failed as coaches. We want to see, our young men, young women here at Monmouth College in athletics develop outside of the field, the court, wherever they're performing at. And we want to see them develop wholly as a person, and we really feel like the support from the Fighting Scots Society allows us to not only develop them on the field, but also off the field, see them mature as a person, see them grow into a student athlete and go on and do great things once they graduate from here.
Roll Scots!
Roll Scots!